What up, though? What up, though? What up, though? What up, though? It's your boy Cash Over the Boss King doing Boss King things. Just wanted to holler at y'all a little bit about this credit repair. This client right here that I got just got her a boost for 21 points. And as you can see on the screen there, 0 derogatory marks. Gone. You should have seen this account when I first got it. Was able to get about 5, 6, 7 collections removed. But at the top, you can see we just got that removed. And up here, you can see 21 points added on to the score. And over here, right there, right there, right there, you can see 683 as her score. Started off with like a 550. You know what I mean? So I just want to tell you some of the journey we went through for this. We've been working on this for a few months now. This particular client's been real patient with me. And she just happened to just had a whole bunch of bad luck at one time. And what happened was she would get something removed, it'll get put back on. Get removed, get put back on. And what they were doing was just selling it to the collections. The debt collectors were just selling it to other collection companies. And it just kept going over and over and over again. So your boy hit them with the right terminology, certified letters, and we got that thing removed with that strong terminology. You know what I mean? So the whole TransUnion is clean, credit sweep. So we're still working on the Equifax. It's only about 2 more things left. You know what I'm saying? So we putting in that work. Holla at your boy if you need your credit repair. Hit me in the comments. Holla at your boy if you want to learn crypto. That's what we do. So I'm out.